Solve the equation and check the results. 1/3 equals 5/6 x plus 2/9. Now, in order to make the fact that there are so many fractions in this equation more simple, I am going to first and foremost change all of the fractions to have a common denominator. Now, the number that 3, 6, and 9 can all go into evenly is 18. So first I'm going to turn 1/3 into a number with 18 as the denominator. Now in order to do so, I will have to multiply the denominator by 6. Now to maintain the equality of the fraction, to make sure the fraction is still the same value, only written differently, I must also multiply the numerator by 6. So I get 6/18. And then I'm going to turn 5/6 into a fraction with 18 as the denominator. 6 times 3 gives me 18. So I multiply the numerator by it also, and I get 5 times 3 equals 15. And I'm going to do the same for our final fraction, which is 2/9. 9 times 2 gives me 18. So I must also multiply the numerator by 2, which gives me 4/18. So I'm going to rewrite our equation with our new fractions. Well, same fractions, just written differently. I get 6/18 equals 15/18 x plus 4/18. First thing I'm going to do, in order to solve the equation, which means to isolate the variable x, I'm going to subtract 4/18 from both sides. Subtract 4/18 from this side also to maintain that equality. On this side, positive 4/18 and negative 4/18 cancel out. On this side, I get 6/18 minus 4/18, which leaves me with 2/18. And that equals, we still got our 15/18 x over here. Now in order to undo the multiplication of x by this fraction here, 15/18, I'm going to multiply both sides to undo that division, or that multiplication, by its reciprocal. Because when you divide a fraction, what you actually do is multiply by its reciprocal. Its reciprocal is just the fraction upside down. So on this side, the 18s cancel, 15s cancel, I get left with x, which is very nice. We want to solve for x. On this side, the 18s cancel and leaves us with 2 in the numerator and 15 in the denominator. So we solved our equation for x, and I'm going to write the solution down here. We got x equals 2/15. Now, the second part of the equation is to check the result. And in order to check the result, everywhere we see x, we're going to put in our answer we got, which was 2/15, and then see if it all maintains the equality and checks out. So we get 1/3, I wish I would have left those fraction transitions up here, 1/3, which when we multiplied both by 6, we got 6/18. I want to keep that same common denominator thing going on here, so 5/6 when we had made it a denominator of 18, multiplied 6 by 3, so we multiplied the 5 by 3, we got 15/18. Now here we have x, so we're going to put in the answer we got, which is 2/15, plus, and then 2/9 when we had made it have 18 in the denominator, we multiplied the top and bottom by 2, so we get 4/18. So now I'm going to do this multiplication here. So we still have 6/18 equals, now I'm going to see right away that these 15s will cancel. So that'll leave us with 2/18 plus 4/18. I'm going to subtract 2/18. Actually, I see an easier way. I was going to subtract this 2/18 over to this side, but we can just add these right across here, so we get 6/18 equals 2/18 plus 4 more 18s will give us 6/18. That worked out much nicer. So our answer does indeed check out because we get that 6/18 does in fact equal 6/18. So our final answer is x equals 2/15.